Hi, my name's Carl. Welcome to the video training series. Today we're working in the options and we're looking at under store, looking at some of the postage options available to us. So at this point we have no postage and handling charges. If I go to the website and when we go through to purchase a product, we'll see that we've got no postage or handling fees in there. Okay, minimize that. The next one is postage and handling set as a standard value. Okay, let's just say if we sold all goods that were roughly the same sort of size and around the same sort of money to post, we can select postage and handling charge at say $15. So we go File, Synchronize Options. Now we'll look at the website and we'll refresh the Go to Checkout Review. And you can see here we have postage and handling at $13.64 plus GST equals $15. Okay, the next one is postage and handling free after a certain sales value is reached. So for instance, we can set the postage and handling charges at say $15, and if the customer spends say $200 or more, okay, they'll get their postage and handling for free. So we'll just synchronize that. And we'll review the web page, go to Checkout Review. Okay, we can see here that we have a postage and handling of 0 because our price of the unit is $1,000. And it says here postage and handling free for orders over $200. Okay, so the next option we can select is postage and handling set from products with the minimum and maximum values. So I'll select that one. Okay, so here we can say, okay, minimum postage and handling charge, say $15. Maximum postage and handling charge, say $200. So I'm going to change that to say $45. So when customers purchase multiple items, we can say, okay, the minimum is $15 and then the maximum is $45. Okay, so going down from there, postage and handling to be quoted after the order has been received. So when they actually go to the checkout, there'll be no postage and handling fee, and then there'll be a message here saying when we receive your order, we will contact you with the postage and handling cost before shipping the goods. And you can customize this to whatever you want. That can be a little bit harder because that can actually put some people off going through the ordering process. They might get to that and go, well, geez, we don't know how much the postage and handling is, and they might be a bit frightened off. So do be careful about option number 5. Okay, option number 6 is using the Australian Post fees. Now, you can actually put a charge for handling, so say just put say $3 in there. Okay, and you can allow for both regular and express postage, or only allow regular or only allow express. If the value of the online sale is greater than or equal to a dollar amount, then postage is free. 0 is to disable. And do not allow postage to other. Now, we do need to set this up in the store, so let's go File, Synchronize first. Okay, now we'll have a look at the store. We'll go to Australia Post. Okay, here is where you put in the actual weight of the goods, say 20 kilos. And then the effective weight you can change as well. Now, what the effective weight is, it depends on the dimensions of your parcels. There is a note about it in here. It tells you what that actually means. You can actually jump onto the Australia Post website and take dimension measurements of your goods, and it will give you the actual effective weight. Okay, so I'll just synchronize that. Okay, we'll just go back to our website. Okay, here we can see that we've got no postage in there yet because we do need to select a region. So if I just say 3,000 for postage, regular postal, calculate postage. Okay, and I've put in the wrong postcode. Okay, that's better. Recalculate. Okay, so it's now working out the postage and handling freight charges. Now, if this is based on in your options section, just go back. go to complete options, company options. Okay, so this is based on using your postcode zone and sending to another postcode zone. So if I change this to say, for instance, 4,000, say Brisbane, and recalculate. Okay, we can see the actual price has gone up quite considerably. And you can also select between regular parcel or express post. If I recalculate that, okay, now we're getting up to $112 for the freight. Okay, that's via Australia Post. Okay, I'll just go back to postage options. Okay. Now the next one is postage and handling set by user defined values. Okay, this one here we do actually have a specific video on it because it is fairly lengthy. Okay, that concludes this video training. Thank you very much for watching.